Bi-directional HDMI to DVI cable makes it possible to connect HDMI-equipped source devices such as laptop, desktop, Blu-ray, Xbox 360, Xbox One, PS3, PS4, Roku, Wii, DVD, and set-top box to your DVI-equipped HDTV, display, monitor, projector, or connect DVI-equipped source devices to HDMI-enabled devices. Supports 1080p video resolution. HDMI DVI-D cable is fully compatible with all HDTV formats, supporting resolution at 800 by 600, 1024 by 768, 1280 by 1024, 1600 by 1200, 1920 by 1200, and 1080p. Double shielding. Aluminum foil and braid ensure a stable signal transmission between devices, protect against electromagnetic interference, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI. Excellent construction. Gold-plated connectors and molded strain relief for durability, withstand multi-times of plug and unplug. Finger-tightened screws for a secure DVI connection. Universal compatibility. Compatible with all HDMI or DVI-D 24+1 equipped devices, also compatible with DVI-I 24+5 equipped devices. Top reviews from the United States. Cable works great. Cable worked like a charm with my Mac M1 and older DVI-D monitor. Good screen resolution. I'm very happy so far.